and viewing my videos. So here we have a table showing about information about hydrogen, nitrogen, helium, sulfur dioxide and also ammonia. Here we have to fill this table. Just one clue is given: number of moles, volume, number of molecules, mass. In these four details, only one detail is given for us. The remaining all we have to fill. So how we are going to do? Just observe that. First of all, here coming to hydrogen gas. 1 mole of hydrogen gas. What is the volume of 1 mole of hydrogen gas? Everybody knows that 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liters of volume. So simply we can write here 22.4 liters. Then what about number of molecules? Number of molecules, as I have given already that 1 mole. So we can write simply that 6.023 into 10 power 23, which is nothing but Avogadro number. So here we write 6.023 into 10 power 23. These many number of hydrogen molecules are present in that gas. Then what about the mass? 1 mole of hydrogen gas has a mass of 2 grams. Because here 2 hydrogen atoms are there. 1 hydrogen atom means 1 mole of hydrogen atoms are present, 1 gram. So 2 hydrogen atoms are present here. So the mass will be 2 grams. So here we can write mass of hydrogen gas as 2 grams. Then coming to nitrogen gas. Here number of moles are not given. Then how we can find out? Volume they gave 44.8. When 22.4 liters is nothing but 1 mole of any gas, 44.8 means nothing but 2 moles. 2 moles of nitrogen gas. Then what about number of molecules? We know that 1 mole of any substance contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 particles. Here as it is given molecules, you can say 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules are present if it is 1 mole. But here 2 moles are given. So what we can write? 2 into this number. So it becomes 12.046 into 10 power 23. Or we can write 1.2046 into 10 power 24. Any number we can write. Then coming to mass. 1 mole of nitrogen gas has the mass of 28 grams. How we can say? Because nitrogen, if you take atom of nitrogen, 14 AMU or 14U is the mass of one nitrogen atom. But here N2 is given, that to 2 moles. 1 mole of nitrogen gas will have the mass of 28 grams. So 2 moles of nitrogen gas means here the mass will be 28 into 2, that is nothing but 56 grams. Coming to helium gas. Number of moles. How many number of moles are present? Here we got only one detail about helium, that is 6.023 into 10 power 25. 6.023 into 10 power 23 means nothing but 1 mole. 10 power 25 is given, means into 100 they have done. Into 100 means here nothing but we can say, as by seeing this number 6.023 into 10 power 25, we got this number by multiplying 100 with 6.023 into 10 power 23. So what we can write here? 100 moles. 100 moles. Then what about the volume here? If it is 1 mole, 22.4 liters. Because here all gases we have taken. That's why we are talking about volume. If it is liquid or gas, if it is liquid or solid, we can't talk about the volume. So that is why here volume what we can write, if it is 100 mole, 1 mole occupies 22.4. So 100 moles will occupy 22.4 into 100. So we can write simply 2240 liters. 2240 liters. Then coming to mass of helium. Mass of helium when it is taken 100 moles. 1 mole of helium will have 4 grams mass. 1 mole of helium will have 4 grams mass. So 100 moles will have 400 grams. 400 grams as a mass. So the mass of helium is nothing but 400 grams. Right? Like that. Sulfur dioxide, if you see, number of moles, we don't know. But they have given only one detail about that, 370 grams. So how to find out? If sulfur dioxide is taken only 1 mole, what is the mass? Sulfur 32 atomic mass, oxygen, each oxygen 16, 16 into 2, 32 plus 32, 64 grams is the mass of 1 mole of sulfur dioxide gas. But 370 grams are given. 1 mole 64 grams. How many moles? 370. 370 divided by 64. 370 divided by 64 into 1. That is nothing but 5 moles. 5 moles. If it is 5 moles, then what about the volume? 1 mole 22.4 liters. 5 moles 5 into 22.4 liters. So what is the answer we are going to get here? 22.4 into 5. 22.4 into 5 means 4 into 5 20, 2 into 5 10 plus 2 12, again 2 into 5 10 plus 1 11. 112 liters. 112 liters of volume is occupied by 5 moles of sulfur dioxide gas. Then what about number of molecules of this sulfur dioxide? 1 mole means 6.023 into 10 power 23. 5 moles means 5 into 6.023 into 10 power 23. So directly we can write here 30.1. How much you will get here? 3 into 5, 15, 1, 2 into 5, 10 plus 1, 11. So 30.115 into 10 power 23. Or we can write 3.0115 into 10 power 24. Then coming to ammonia. 3 moles. They have given about 3 moles ammonia. We have to find out volume, number of molecules and mass. What is the volume here? 1 mole means nothing but 22.4. 3 moles means 3 into 22.4. How much we'll get here? 67.2 liters. This is a mass of 3 moles of ammonia gas. Then what about number of molecules? 3 into 6.023 into 10 power 23. Means here we'll get 18.069 into 10 power 23. I have multiplied 3 into 6.023 into 10 power 23. Then what is the mass of ammonia if it is taken 3 moles? We know already that 1 mole of ammonia means nothing but 17 grams. How will get that 17 grams? Nitrogen 14 and 3 hydrogens are there, 3. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 grams is the mass of 1 mole of ammonia gas. If it is given 3 moles, what is the mass? 17 into 3. How much will get here? 51 grams. 51 grams. 51 grams mass. That is the mass of 3 moles of ammonia gas. Like this we can find out. If one detail is given, if one hint is given for us, remaining all we can find out very easily. If we are talking about the gases, we can write about the volume. But when we talk about solid and liquid, liquid means depending on the container in what we have taken, and solid means depending on the shape, again volume will change. Then we can write only number of moles, molecules and mass if you are talking about solids and liquids. But when we are talking about the gases, we can write about the volume in this manner. Number of moles, volume, number of molecules, mass. One detail is given, remaining all we can find out very easily. Okay, thank you.